see what we got here, everybody. I hope I'm gonna... That's all trash. Let's get inside here. Good day to do some dumpster diving. I found a burnt bent rod curtain rod. Shampoo. I don't know if got some cleaner. What's Armor All? Oh, this is car cleaner, everybody. Got tea. Oh, wow. That's broken. Got a whole case of cookies. A Coke. What is that? That's Jimmy Dean's breakfast. Blueberry waffles. Well, that's a Vaseline. Dog food. Let me get another box. Ah, it's wet. This is all messy. Forgot my gloves. I got a bunch of tea. This is sweet tea. I just hope I'm getting good footage for you, everybody, because I'm not good at this here head thing. Oh God, a whole box of hot dogs. I don't know if you guys can see this. Dog food's ruined. It's alright. A protein drink. Gosh. It's a curtain rod. And some creamer. I think that's about it in here. What's this? Oh, wow. Brand new detergent and softener. Let me get out of here. Oh, jeez. Let me get some of this stuff out. Looks like I got some favorite Hostess Cupcakes, I hope. Let's see what we got in here. Yep, I got one Hostess Cupcake, a Lunchable. Here's some more. I got busted. Ooh, honey buns. Lunchable. More cupcakes. Put everything in here. God, I'm hoping I'm getting good footage for everybody. Oh, jeez. Are you serious? Oh, wow, more. God, they're all just falling on me. What is that? What is this big box? Just hangers. Another box of cupcakes. I think that's about it in this one. There wasn't a whole lot in here. Did get a lot of snack cakes though. And I just lost the box back here. It all fell. Yeah, some of that got in here. Oh well. Can't get it every time. Nice, beautiful day. Oh, it looks like somebody got some stuff. This is Walmart trash bag. This is some football trash.
Where's enough trash?
Kitty litter.
Careful.
Hello everybody, this is a very early morning dumpster dive. I did this before work, and this is all just, I'll say 3 stores. I had a good time doing it, and I did pretty darn good, so Jen's got some competition. And if anyone doesn't know who Jen is, that's my wife. I'll start with, got a brand new storage container down here. All you do is pop it open. It was brand new. Don't know why they threw it out, but I think we might use it, maybe put some toys in it. This is brand new, veggie and fruit stretch pods. You open and put the, well, that one's actually broke, but the other 2 are okay. See, the one's broke, that's why they threw it out.
Okay.
But the other 2 are fine.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll try and see what it does. Let me see, we got, this is a sandwich skinnies. They're whole wheat. There's 2 packs. There was a bunch of these. I didn't want to take all of them because I don't know what I'm gonna do with them all. I got a pack of sourdough bread. I used the coupon for $1 off, and I'm kidding.
Free.
Got it for free. Got myself a pack of apples, and these look pretty good. A little bruise there, but that's all right. I found, look at that. That's Black Angus Petite Sirloin steaks. You can see the date. These are almost $11, and the date, it says is freeze it by April 6th. I don't know why. We're gonna put that baby in the freezer tonight. Got a pack of waffles. The box got damaged, but they are still sealed, so I will eat those. I have no problems. There was a bunch of bagels, like a box, and we can't eat that many bagels or try to get rid of them. They're so soft. These are cinnamon raisin. Man, they're so soft. So I got 2 packs of those. Grabbed myself another pack of onions here. I don't know why they throw them away. They're good. Got myself a pack of tomatoes. I mean, fill them things. Well, I know you can't fill them, but I grabbed for coffee. Was that vanilla? Yeah, French vanilla creamer. That's good stuff for your coffee. There was a whole box of hot dogs. A couple of them fell out of the box, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs of hot dogs. That's crazy to throw them out. I don't see the date on this. I can't read.
Let's see.
I'm sure they're still good.
March 14th.
Yeah, March 14th. That's still good. You know how long I've ate hot dogs past that for a long time. We're gonna put a bunch of these in the freezer and then just eat them when we need them. Okay, found a whole box of cookies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's one whole box of cookies. I haven't seen a date on it yet, but this stuff stays good for a while. So I will eat some of these. I found, I'll eat this in the morning for breakfast. This is a Meat Lover's Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. It's got like sausage, eggs, cheese, and bacon. These are delicious, and I will have that. I found a 4-pack of Vaseline. Not sure what we're going to do with that. Probably have to donate it. Because we have one thing of Vaseline for when the boys were little, and we still have it. But I found there was a 6-pack of Mountain Dew. One of them was open and it spilled out. And this is April 11th, 22. So it's still good. I found 3 of these Lunchables.
Oh.
It's got a drink in it, a candy bar, and meat, cheese, and crackers. So I got 3 of those. I found one. It's a protein drink. It's a vanilla. It's still good. It says August 21st, 22. I don't know why they would throw it away. I found, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these sweet teas. It's citrus. Hey, we buy this at Walmart, don't we?
I like that.
Yeah, and that's February 14th, 22. That's still good. I found a shampoo. This actually was opened just a little bit and a little bit leaked out. I mean, it still feels like it's like all the way up here. I found one Armor All. Use this to clean your tires, makes them really shiny. I use this stuff all the time, so I'm glad I found another bottle. And I found 2 bottles of the Black Magic tire cleaner. I use this stuff all the time also, so I got 2 bottles of that. I found a brand new detergent softener. It's detergent and softener together. So actually, you don't need to use the dry sheets with this. It's Arm & Hammer. That's a name brand. This is for Loki. These are little. It got wet, but that's okay. They're sealed pouches of dog food. I will actually mix this in with his dog food. Let's see, what else did I find? I found a curtain rod, brand new, still sealed. And we found a curtain rod. This is a curved one. I mean, it's kind of nice. I don't know if you want to use a curved curtain rod. We could actually put that in our bathroom.
Yeah, you didn't do this.
Oh, I found 4 boxes of Hostess Cupcakes. These are going in my freezer. February 21st, 2022. Still good. Trust me. I'm eating some now that are older than this. And last but not least, this is my dad's favorite. He's been wanting some of these. He told me to find him some honey buns. I found 15 boxes, just so you can see. Or 5, 10, and 15. The date is just like 2 days old. Where did I see the date I had on this? I'll show everybody the date. I just saw the date. Oh, March 17th, 22. I mean, these are so fresh. I don't know why they would throw them away. And you should see the video. I had this stuff sitting up on the trash can in a box. The whole box just slid down onto the ground. Yeah.
Good.
These are good. They're so fresh. I don't know why they would throw it away. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed my early morning dumpster dive. I might make this a routine once a week in the morning because I had a lot of fun doing it. and I was actually parked in front of the dumpster, and then I went to leave, my truck wouldn't start. And I didn't know what I was going to do. I started to panic. I was about to push my truck away from the dumpster in case the cops would show up and they want to know, well, why are you parked here in front of the dumpster, you know? But anyways, I had a lot of fun doing it. Don't think I'm going to use that truck again. But please don't forget to subscribe and share and like my videos. Thank you very much.